Hi everyone, in this video we're looking at the interior angles of a polygon. And so say if we're talking about a rectangle, or maybe I can draw one a bit better than that, a rectangle, the interior angles, we're talking about these angles here. Now I hope that all of you know that the interior angles of a rectangle are 360, but this is not necessarily the same for all polygons. So for example, if we had a triangle, those three angles of a triangle are not going to add up to 360, they're going to add up to 180. And if we look at a pentagon, and the internal angles of a pentagon, those are going to add up to 540. So if we look at, perhaps if I order this in a slightly different way, bring my small one down here and put that in the middle. If we look at what's happening, if we add a side, it would appear that when we add a side, we're adding 180 to the sum of the internal angles. And in fact, that's exactly what happens. So when we're talking about the internal angles of a polygon, we use a formula that goes the number of the sides times 180 equals the internal angles. Except that doesn't quite work, because if we look at this one here, 3 times 180, that's not 180. 4 times 180, that's not 360. And 5 times 180, that's not 540. And so we have to take 2 off the sides and then times it by 180. So let's try it for the triangle. So that would be 3 minus 2 times 180, which is 1 minus 180, so that's 180, so it works there. Let's try it with the rectangle. So that would be 4 sides minus 2 times 180, so that's 2 times 180, which is 360, so it works there. And then for a pentagon, we've got 5 sides, so 5 minus 2, which is 3. 3 times 180, that equals 540, so yeah, that works there. So that formula, you can use that for any sided polygon. And if it's a regular polygon, you can simply divide that number by the number of sides to get each angle. So say for this one here, we could go 540 divided by 5 to get the internal angle, and that would give us 108 degrees. So each internal angle for that pentagon will be 108. Alright, have a go at exercise 19.03, please.